It was a nice day today, and then it cooled off into the 50s like that. I was outside trying to do some yard work, and I was tripping over things, trying to bring like weed whackers and things up the stairs. There's too much stuff in the studio, and you know, it's not going to take that long just to straighten it up. Have a look. This is what's going on here. So I'm going to give it 20 minutes and see if I can make it a little better. Okay, so 20 minutes later, and what a difference. Is it perfect? No. The floor needs to be vacuumed. There's still an Evolve 30M sitting here. I do need to do a video on that soon, though. It's a process, but 20 minutes later, I can walk down here. I'm not stepping around things, and for a guy who's got a bum leg, it takes a lot of energy to walk around stuff and bob and weave. So this is going to make my life easier. So yeah, 20 minutes is all it takes sometimes, folks. If you got a project that you need to do, give yourself 20 minutes, see what you can get done, and knock it off. You can do the rest later. It helps to do it in pieces sometimes. So anyway, that's it. We've done a video like this before, but since I was doing it, I thought I'd share. That's it. I'm going to catch my breath. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.